Hi students and parents. I wanted to give you a few pointers on how to use Rediker Plus portals. Parents, I believe you probably go through the GA website and click on Rediker Portal there. Students will use their Clever app and they'll click on Plus Portals. When you get on your child's account, you'll see your child's classes. Mine's going to look differently because this is all just the classes I teach. You will probably be seeing an average next to your child's class. You could just click on that class and click on scores, and you would see all the scores for that particular class. So right now I'm in English. If I move down a little bit, yours is probably in a little bit different of a spot, but it's similar. You go to assignments, you can see all the assignments that are there. Click on it, it will give you a little bit more information about it. The calendar is a helpful tool if you prefer using that to look at assignments. Just click on calendar and it shows you everything that's taking place, including any assignments. So, and then you can click on the assignment, it'll give you more information. Click on any activity and it'll give you more information. Your child's will have everything from Mrs. Harker and me. So I'm back in English right now. I wanted to show you a couple more ways I plan on using Rediker this year. I will be giving some tests on Rediker, and I will also be putting some links on here for different practice games and things like that. Your children still need to activate their accounts. Once we get that accomplished, we'll be using Rediker for more than what we have so far. So I hope I gave you a few pointers, a few helpful hints. Please let me know if there's anything else that I can clear up for you. Thanks.